Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, one's falling off. What are we going to do? Are we going to fix it? Hello? Over here? Oh, nice mitts. Very nice. Oh, they're a little big. Yeah, but I suppose when you're in a snowsuit, they won't look so big. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh. They make doing things difficult, don't they?
Oh, no.
Oh, no, no. Oh. What do you think? What are you doing? Oh, no. What's the matter? Oh, do you want them off? Would you like them off? You could ask me nice. You could say, Momsy. Oh. Come here. Are they trouble? Are they causing trouble? Yeah. Okay, let's have a look. Where are you going? Oh, you changed your mind?
No.
No?
No.
You know you're not supposed to be over there. Where are you going? Oh. Careful. Yeah, you're silly. Uh-huh. Should we take them off? Or are you going to keep them on? Oh. Uh-huh. Yes? Yeah. Hi. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh. Careful. You going down? Careful. Uh-oh, you can't have that. That's not for you. Alright. Okay. Hey. No cords. I've got to turn this off now. No cords, Veda. No cords. The little tickly belly. Okay. Oh, is that comfy? That's nice? Bye, baby. Are you silly? Are you silly? That's good. Should we take off the mitt? There, one's off. Should we take the other one off? No, you want it back on? Let me put it back on. Okay. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, I've got to stop.